What's up, and thank you for tuning into my channel. My name is Yadrissa and this is Pretty Press On Plug. On this channel I do acrylic nails, I do acrylic toes, and regular manicures and pedicures, and also press on nails. So for this video I'm going to be showing you how I got these denim, blue denim nails, and I'm starting off with these extra long full cover nails that I got from eBay. And I'm going to, I started off by applying an acrylic layer. As you can see on the nails, it is a nude acrylic that I applied first to each of the nails, and then I'm going to go in with my blue gel polish. The gel polish that I use today in this video is from Beetles. I used two different Beetle polishes, and I used a gel polish from Rosalind gel polish as well, and also I used a white gel polish from Beetles as well. So what I did was I mixed the three blue gel polishes together excuse me, my background is very loud. My window is open, so please excuse the noise. But I did mix the three blue colors gel polishes together to make this shade. I wanted to go with a nice dark blue shade, so I created my own because I didn't have a dark blue that was this dark. And I'm just going to be applying it to each of the nails. So for that first nail, for the pinky nail, I wanted that whole nail to be blue, so I just applied that gel polish to the whole nail of the pinky. So now, as you guys can see, I'm going in and I wanted each nail to be a different design. So for this nail, as you can see, I am going and I'm doing my French tip, and I'm also doing a deep French tip where you extend the line longer up on the sides of the nails and just bring it up a little bit more. I was just making sure I fill it in a lot more and making sure there's no spaces. And for my French tip, I really like to be really precise and get that line really straight. So I am going in with my liner pen, my liner brush, and I'm just going to be trying to straighten that line out and making sure it's nice and even and straight on both sides. And if you are a returning subscriber, thank you for tuning in for another one of my videos. It has been a while since I have posted on this page, but I am going to be posting a lot more videos, so I hope you guys stay tuned. And if you are new here, please check out some other videos that I have posted here on my channel, and I hope that you enjoy this video that I have here. So this is not my first time doing denim nails. I did do a set of denim nails a long time ago, but I see it is trending now with these denim nails, and I just wanted to create another set because it's really trending, it's really popular now. But when I did it a long time ago, it wasn't trending, and it was just one of the few videos that you see out there as far as the denim nails. So for this nail, I just wanted to do a different pattern, a different shape. So at first I was going to just do the top of the nail and the bottom of the nail just with the gel polish, but then I decided to do kind of like a half moon shape or a half a circle there on the side. So I'm just trying to straighten that line out, and I'm just using this regular brush that I have in my in my nail kit, and I'm just using that to apply the gel polish on the nails because it's a lot more wider than the regular nail polish brush that comes within the bottle, and I didn't want to mix the two shades together in the bottles because I did make a special mixture up for this color. So that's why I just applying it with this brush here. And after I paint each nail with my design, I did put them in the UV lamp for 60 seconds, which is the recommended time for gel polish. So after I draw my pattern on each nail, I pop it into my UV lamp. So now for this nail, what I wanted to do is I'm not even sure what you call this shape, but it's kind of like a V shape. It's not a French tip, but it looks similar to a French tip, but it's just in the shape of a V. So I'm just filling that in. And again, I use two Beetles gel polish. I use a jelly gel polish and a regular blue gel polish from Beetles. I use a white gel polish from Beetles, and I use a blue gel polish from Rosalind for this video. if anybody you know, is interested. I do, and I will have everything listed down in the description below. If you want those exact colors, it will be listed down below, so you can find those colors easily. It's not a link, but once you type it in, you should be able to find each of these colors that are used in my video, as well as the acrylic that I have used for this set. So even though these are press-ons, I did want to do an acrylic background because it saves me a lot of me a lot of time, as far as not a lot of time. It just saves a nude gel polish. So that's why I just went in with the acrylic over these press-on nails, because it is going to make it much more sturdier for the nails. They're not going to break as easily. For, you know, some of the press-on nails are very thin, but these press-on nails are very strong and sturdy. But I wanted that extra security for these press-on sets, so that's why I applied that acrylic layer to give it that stability and long lasting and also reusable. So now I have this sponge brush that I'm using, and I did apply some of that Beetles gel polish, the white gel polish, just a little bit on my palette there. And I'm just using this sponge brush, and I'm just dabbing that into that white gel polish, and I'm just dabbing it all over the nail. So I didn't want the color to be too bright. I just wanted to dab it on just to give it that denim effect. That's what I was trying to achieve by using this sponge. I see people do it different ways, but I decided that this would be, to me, it looks more like denim this way, and that's why I'm using this sponge brush. I did get this brush, no, excuse me, I'm sorry, I forgot where I got this brush, but I will try to find it and link it below so you guys can check that out as well. I'm just applying a little bit more of that white gel polish and dipping my brush into it and just dabbing that white all over the nails to give it that effect. And after I finish this, I am going to put these nails into my UV lamp for 60 seconds. And I did decide that it was a little bit too light as far as the white. I did want it to be a little bit more darker. So what I'm doing is I'm going to be putting some of that Rosalind gel polish, the blue gel polish, and I'm just going to be dabbing that brush in the same way I did with the white, and just using that sponge, dabbing it into that blue gel polish. And I'm just going to be applying that over the top of where I put the white dabs of gel polish. I'm just going to go over it with that blue just to create that denim effect, but I wanted it to be a little bit darker, so that's why I am going over that white gel polish and over the whole design with this blue. And thinking back, I should have went in with 2 layers for that first coat that I did, for the first layer that I did to create the shape on each nail. I should have went back in with that blue shade, but I didn't. But this worked out for me well. I really like the effect that the sponge gives. And I did after I did the you know, the sponge with the blue gel polish, I did apply that into my UV lamp, and I did let it cure for 60 seconds. So now I'm just creating those denim stitches around each of the nails. So that's why I'm going in with my liner brush, and I'm just using that white gel polish from Beetles, and I am going to be creating that jean stitch effect on the nails. And I really loved how this set came out. I did try to use inspiration from my first set of nails, of denim nails that I did create, and a little bit of inspo from some other creators, some nail creators that I've seen how they created their denim nails as well. Took a little bit of inspo from every denim set of nails that I've seen, and just tried to create my own set basically. So this is what I had here. Again, I didn't want anything to be too uniform. When I create nails, I like to create nails mostly I like to create nails that have a different pattern on each nail. I feel like it gives it a different character, a different effect, and it's not so uniform. Even though I do like the you know, the plain basic sets and just the plain nails, plain fresh strips, I do like those designs. But when I am doing a freestyle, I like to create a different design on each nail just to give it you know, just a look of its own for each nail, but it is all coordinated with each other nail that is next to it as far as color and design. So just take your gel polish again, just creating these stitches. And if you are new here, don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe to my channel if you have not already done so. And also I have another channel here on YouTube. It's called Yadrissa, and that is my name, and it's a channel where I create special effects makeup. I do wig installs, hair reviews, and things of that sort. So check me out over there on my other YouTube channel, Yadrissa. And also let me know what you guys think of these nails in the comment section below. I really liked how this set came out, and I was just taking my time with each nail just to get it the exact way that I wanted the nails to be. That's what I like about creating nails. You could just do and just be as creative as you want to be, basically. So nails is, as you can see, well, you don't know, but I just enjoy doing different nails and different designs and just creating different sets. So this is something that I enjoy doing. And what I decided to do was I wanted to add a couple of charms to some of my nails, just to let it pop out and stand out a lot. So this reminded me of the Darion. I think it was a line that Beyonce had created, House of Darion. It reminds me of that brand, that clothing brand. So I decided that I wanted to use that charm as well as another charm that was a star. And I'm just going in with my glue, and I'm going to apply that glue to the nail where I want to put the charms, and then I'm going to apply the charms on top of the nail. So these are some nail piercings that I wanted to try on this set. I thought that it would be so cute. So what I'm going to be doing is I'm going to be taking my nail drill, and this is the Macart nail drill, and I'm going to be taking the drill bit that I'm using is kind of like a point. It kind of comes to a pointy end, so I wanted to use that to try to drill a hole into my nail so I can put those circle rings, those nail piercings onto the nail. I've never seen a denim set with these nails, with these rings, these nail piercings, so I decided to do that with this set, just to have it stand out a little bit more from, you know, some other sets that I have seen before, and just trying to be creative while I am creating this set of nails. And I thought that this piercings on the nails would just make it stand out and look so beautiful, and I did love how this came out. As you can see, this is one, and then after I did one of those nail piercings, I decided that I wanted to do another one right beside it. So I'm just going in with my nail drill again, and I'm going to be drilling through. It didn't take me that long, but because I did apply acrylic to my nails, that's why it took me a little second for me to just drill a hole into nail, because, you know, the acrylic is a little bit thicker than a regular press-on nail, and I'm just using my pliers just to open and close that nail piercing around that nail. Just take your time with it, and, you know, just be patient when you are applying these nail piercings. I thought that came out really cute. So now I'm going in with my white gel polish once again, and I am going in with my gel liner brush, and I'm going to be just creating these thin fine lines to give it that ripped jean effect. That's what I was trying to create. So I thought that the nail on the thumb was pretty plain, so I decided to go in with this silver diamond snake nail charm, and I'm just applying my nail glue behind that, and then I'm going to be applying that snake diamond nail charm to that thumbnail. And I just wanted to give a little bit different effect, and I thought that it really came out cute. So my vision was going to be for this set is silver, denim, and white. As you can see, the set that I created, it is these colors. I wasn't too sure if I wanted to add anything else on this nail, but I decided that, hey, every other nail has something on it, so I decided to go in with some rhinestones. So I'm going to be using my AB rhinestone crystals, and I applied my nail glue first, and then I'm going to be going in with my diamonds, and just applying it to the outline of that stitch, just to put on this nail so that this nail doesn't look so plain, while the others look like I put a little bit more effort into it, basically. So again, thank you for tuning into my channel, and welcome to Pretty Press On Plug. And it's not only press-ons that I do here on this channel. I do acrylic nails, acrylic toes, manicures and pedicures, as long and amongst other things on this channel. See, when you create nails, it all depends on you just being creative and creating different nails and different designs and things like that. So just be creative as you want to, be as different as you want to. That is the beauty of creating something that is your own, because it's come from your own imagination. Don't worry about fitting in. When you're using your creativity and using your imagination, it's all about just standing out from the rest and not looking the same and looking different to stand out. So as you can see, these are the diamonds that I put on this nail. Just wanted to add a little bit more just to fill in the space on this nail with the rhinestones. That came out really cute. I say that for every set. I just enjoy every set of nails that I make. So these are the nails. These are my denim nails that I have created, and I hope you guys enjoyed this video. And don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe before you leave here. And this is the finished product. I did apply my denim nails to my silicone hand, so you guys can get, kind of like a real feel of it and how it looks close up and on the nails. And don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe. And again, excuse my background. I do have my window open as I'm recording. Bye.